Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a quick makeup tutorial about a Diwali look. So let's just get started with the video. So always remember to put face cream on before you put on makeup because makeup's gonna dry your face a lot. So if you want to save your face, please put up your moisturizer. So after putting the moisturizer, I'm gonna put a primer on my face just because I have a lot of pores. So I'm going to start with the look by filling up my eyebrows. I'm using Anastasia's eyebrow pomade, Dip Brow. So after filling up my eyebrows, I'm going to go quickly with my eyeshadow. I'm not going to go too crazy with it because I want to make this look a little simple because it's Diwali makeup and you want to get it really quickly and you don't want to be like a party makeup. So I'm just going to go straight away into my eyeshadow. So for this one, I'm using Morphe's palette. I'm using this one right here. I'm going to start with the base. Now I'm going to put my foundation. For this look, I'm using Maybelline's Poreless Primer. I got shade 125. I tested on my hand there, but I didn't test on my face. So I hope it fits me. I always like the foundation which has pump in it because it's easier to pour them out instead of just pulling them out. So sometimes it comes up a lot or sometimes it just doesn't come up. It takes really long to come out. I'm gonna continue this look by applying a concealer under my eyes, and I've got Maybelline's concealer. I'm using NYX Wonder Stick for my contour. It's like a really old product, like kind of old product for them, but I love it, like on the go. I love using this for my contouring because it's easy and quick. I'm going to use this shade in foundation for this look. So for my highlighter here, I have Revolution's Gold Elixir. So I just put a little bit of drops on my face like this. So the dip brows make it easy to make the wing eyeliner. It's like if you are a beginner, I would recommend using it instead of using the pen one or the sketch one because this one is a lot more easier than those. If I have to match something with my suit, I would go for this one. But if I have to go something lighter, then this is my only option I have. But I'm going to go with a darker lipstick. I haven't had a dark one from so long. Let's see how that looks. And this is the 24-hour stay. I have used these ones a lot. They stay really long. Like they stay literally all day. But just always make sure you hydrate your lips before you put them because they tend to make your lips dry. So this is all for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more new videos. And happy Diwali, guys!